Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to play in our trash junk journal. And if you guys aren't caught up with us on making our trash journal here, I will post it at the end screen so you guys can come check it out. I have a whole playlist. So we got a series going here so you guys can get all caught up and do this together. It's super fun. This is just stuff that we're finding around our house. Anything that you looked at and you're like, maybe I should throw this out, don't. Just look at it again and go, you know what? I can make something beautiful out of it. So that's what we are doing here. Okay, so what I want to do today is finish off the cover. I found some other ideas that I want to add to the cover. And work on the inside of the journal. I know, I'm excited. So I just want to do like maybe a cover page showing you guys some fun things. And yeah, we'll go from there. But starting off now, I'll show you all guys all this when we do the inside. I want to work on the outside here just to finish it off. It just didn't seem done to me when I did it with you guys the other day. I kept looking at it and seeing different things I wanted to add, and I went ahead and added some pink bandana material, fabric, that just little scrap pieces that I found, just like the end parts, the end cuts and stuff. So I did some here and then did some in our dangle that I matched with it. And yeah, so now what I want to do is add some words, creating beauty, because I was looking at it going, I think it needs words. I need some words. So creating beauty is what I came up with. And I want to incorporate some feathers from just the chickens running around outside. Just some fun feathers that I found on the ground. And I'm like, yep, I want to incorporate some of those. So those are some stuff you can find just if you have chickens running around, or even in birds. Like I found some crow feathers and stuff too. I got those. You can find bird feathers. So whenever you find a bird feather, keep it, because we can incorporate it and stuff. So I got my Fabrifix glue here. And what I did is I took the jeans that I did with the closure and I just cut it to fairly the size here of this magazine word here. And then I just took it and frayed it. And this is the inside of it. That's the outside of the jeans. And I went ahead and flipped it to the inside of the jean. And I'm wanting to just glue it down. So let's just go ahead, do a little glue down, like that. Okay, so I just want to pop it on there, and I want to figure out where to put these words, but I want to do the feathers first, and then work the words around the feathers. Okay, and then this is the right way the jeans go. That's the inside out, and then that's the right side in, I guess. And I'm just going to glue this one on, just for a little bit of difference. A little variety happening, why not? Okay. I'm just really loving the freedom of this journal, of being able to just do whatever I want, grab it, put it in. There's no right or wrong. There's no, I mean, I'm saving up some really fun stuff, you guys. This is going to be cool. So, okay. So this is creating beauty, and that's what we're doing here. I thought that fit perfect. I mean, we are creating some beauty out of just trash and stuff. Okay, so I want to take some feathers and incorporate them into the cover here. So I'm thinking of poking them in here, right? So we'll just poke them through here. I think that would look nice there. So I want to put them in first, and then we'll look to see where the words are going to fit in. Okay. So I'm just slipping them in here. Like that. And then creating would fit nicely right there. So sometimes you just got to kind of see where it wants to live, you know? Like, why fight it? Okay, so we got that. And I want to do 3. 3 is the key, right? Okay, let's see. So I'm just finding places to slip it in here. that. Twist it a little. So, oh my gosh, that might be cool. Okay. So I'm not even worried about gluing them down. I'm kind of just sticking them in there. I think they're gonna stick nicely. And if they kind of fall out, then I'll glue them. But so creating, pop it underneath like that. I mean, how fun is that, you guys? Creating beauty. Display the little chicken feathers here. Okay, so I'm liking that. I think that turned out really cute. Let's just do that. And then, you know, if I want to, I can just glue down some of the feathers too, just to make them so they stick. Okay, so we'll take our glue here. Let's pop it sideways a little bit like that. Okay. There we go. And then we can pop this one on top a little bit like that. Do that. Okay. And then if you're worried about the feathers coming out, you can kind of just maybe just come to the bottom here and do a little tack down. Just kind of tack it into place. That ties it all together there. Now we got little feathers that you can blow. You can blow in the wind. All right, so there we go, guys. What do you think? I think we officially have our cover done. Yeah? I think so. Okay. I think we did it. All right, so now what I want to do is work on the inside cover. All right, so let's get in there. Okay. Make sure you guys can see. Now what I have here, this is super fun. It's just the spring mix that you can you know, on top of your spring mix little salad stuff, and it's sticky on one on the other side, you know, so you can stick it down onto the lid. And I thought that would be kind of fun to make into a pocket. I mean, how cool is that? Okay. So like if we stuck it down, I'm just looking, because we're probably gonna have to reinforce it with gluing it too. But if we go about here with it, and I think it's cool that you can see through it. I got part of the sweater stuck to it, little bits and pieces here. So for the top part of it, how the top part's sticky too, I'm just gonna take a piece of masking tape. Okay, and just do this, just so it's not sticky. When you slide because we're gonna do a little journaling card, or just a little magazine image. That'll be fun to slide in and out. Okay, and I am just going to snip off anything like that. Stick it in here. Think about like that. And I'm just going to make it a pocket. This is just the funnest part, is that you can look around, you know, see things that you're like, well, that'd be a great pocket or a great little, you know, journal card or a great thing to add just to a pocket. And voila, you make it happen. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're just gonna have that stick. So I'm just gonna hold this down for a second and get it stuck to it. There we go. I think that turned out really cool. I think I got it all glued down. And we got ourselves a pocket. How fun is that? That's so fun. All right, so what I want to do is take one of my images here, and I got it from a cookbook that I've got from Goodwill a long time ago, and it's a 1978, so it's been around. It needed to. Actually, I didn't get this one from Goodwill. I got it from my husband's aunt. That's right. She gave me a bunch of cookbooks and just different books that she didn't want anymore. And it had some really cool images in it. And so what I did is I took them out and I took my glue and water, 50-50 glue and PVA water mixture, and I add baby powder to it. So if you guys want to see the exact measurements of that, it takes the shine out of magazine pages or even shiny book pages like this. I'll put the playlist on the end screen. I have a whole take the shine out of magazine and calendars and book pages playlist, and you guys come check it out. And it's really informative and it's fun to watch. But yeah, what I did is I just, I don't think I did this side. I don't know why I didn't do this side, but I did this side. So I did half of it at least. But this is, yeah, that's what it did look like. Oh, I think I was gonna do the side too, but I can't. When this side's drying, I'll get it. You know what? After we make a journal card out of it, I'll make sure to paint it with the solution, and then you can see some of it got up here. So you can see the difference. It really does take the shine down. I mean, you see some shine going through, but I like that. I think that gives it a lot of character. And I like character. Okay. There we go. What I'm going to do is take my pencil, and I want to line it up of where it's going to go in here. So it's not really that wide up here. So I'm going to make sure I'll get rid of this white line right there. So it's going to go about here, and then this one's here. So I'm just kind of guesstimating. I can always keep trimming it if I need to. But I'd rather make it a little bigger at first. Okay, and what I'm going to do is take it over to my guillotine cutter, and I'm going to line it up and get this cut, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's see. So I went ahead and cut it. That's probably about wide, right. I didn't want it, you can't go too much wider here. So I think that'll be cool. I mean, how fun is that, you guys? So you can see through it. How cool is that? Kind of want to keep the top pretty tall here. Maybe I'll just kind of trim it just right. Let's do it like right below so it doesn't get bent or anything like that. So I'm gonna go trim that real quick and we'll make a fun little topper. All right, so I got it to fit in here nicely. Our fun little pocket. I have it so it's not gonna get bent over the top or anything, so I just kind of cut it level to the top of the journal. Okay, and now what I wanna do is I just took a piece of linen from a linen skirt is what it was. It was a long linen skirt. And I'm just taking threads, just all my fun little threads here that keep your threads. They're great. They come in really handy and they make everything just look kind of cool, you know. And I just got some jean, some pink, incorporated from the front here, from our little dangle and stuff. So that's some pink threads. And then some greens. I threw some greens in here because there's a little bit of green throughout. So I'm just popping that down, putting these on top, spreading it across the whole thing. You know, just kind of spreading it out. And then we'll take our fun little tag here, and I'm just going to place this side down here, and we're going to make it just a little tab thing at the top on each side. So just flip it over so you have a little bit on this side, a little bit on this side. And if you want, you could do a dab of glue and then put the thread on top, but I'm just going to take it and make it as easy as possible here and just staple it. Like that. And then if you want, you can staple it. Oh, that's kind of crooked. Huh. That's all right. Made it a little crooked. But you can just go and staple it down. And then there you go. So you got your fun little threads at the top. It's a little crooked, but you know what? It's a junk journal, right? So that's kind of fun. So that just gives you something to grab onto to pull it out. And it hangs over the top so you can see it on both sides. So it just gives you something you can take and pull it out. I'm liking that. And that's pretty fun. You can even take it and staple it again if you want. Like if you had some wild threads just coming off, just staple it. There we go. Why not? Just do a little stapling. Okay. So there we go. So we got our fun just pocket on the inside, and you got your little crinkle effect, which we all love. And that'll be our inside pocket. And then we got our really cool outside here. And that's how that turned out. I think I'm going to put a little solution on here to get the shine off this, like that, and some shine off here. So I hope you guys found this informational. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button. It helps my video get out there more so everybody else can see how to create some beauty out of some trash. So let's spread the joy here. And I'm probably going to continue through pages and stuff and add some more, some fun magazine images and some book images and different things like that. Like I added one here to our fun little flip out like that. And I'll just pop in and out when I have some fun things to share with you guys that I'm going to do. And and I'll just keep flipping through it with you guys and doing some more things and adding some more things off camera. And so we'll just keep going back and forth here and get this baby done. And it's going to be so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see the next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.